Hello everyone, John Wilsie here at Johnson RV, located right here in Medford, Oregon. Right here I have in front of us is a 2020 Forester by Forest River. It is going to be the floor plan of the 2441DS, and it's one of my personal favorite floor plans because of the interior and what it has. And I'll kind of get a little better detail exactly what that is, but you can tell it's going to be off your Ford E450 chassis. And one thing I love about the Forest Rivers is that you're going to have a side window to kind of bring more natural lighting. Makes it nice. You're going to have your power awning there for you. It does have your speakers attached right to it, so you do have your outdoor entertainment speaker system. Nice storage right underneath. And then as we walk around, you're going to have your ladder get on top of the roof, but you're also going to see your backup camera. It's going to get into your parking spaces when you back up to your campsites to kind of give you a better idea of directions. Right here on the other side is that you're going to have your slide toppers. It is going to have a 2-slide system here for you, and the slide toppers are really useful. One, especially if it rains, it's going to reduce some of that rain noise, especially if your bed's right underneath the slide out. It's also going to help with debris when you bring the slide back in. You're not going to have to get up there and sweep everything off. You're able just to bring the slide back in and help reduce some of the safety and easy to get back home. Now as we continue wrapping around, it's a very clean unit. Let's go ahead and take a look what this thing has to offer. As soon as we walk into this Forest River, you're going to be automatically introduced to that oversized U-shaped dinette table. Beautiful lighting provided by the skylight. One natural lighting I absolutely love. Now you're going to walk around, you're going to see your overhead bunk here for you. What's nice because it actually has storage up there for you too. As you watch and use the TV, privacy curtain. And then you're going to have your front center cab here for you. With the overhead bunk off, easy to get in and out. Able to use the laboratory or kitchen if needed to. Beautiful counter space. You're going to have your trash chute located right here for you. Got to have that. Stainless steel split sink here for you. 3 stovetop gas burner. You're going to have your oven, of course, too, in this particular model. Microwave. Once again, lots of storage. They maximize as much useful space as they can. It makes it nice. One thing I love about this is overhead storage, too. Now here's the best part. As we open it and we shut it, it's going to slowly shut itself. It's not going to slam. You're also going to have a nice pantry located here for you. Privacy curtain here for you for your walk around queen bed. Absolutely love that. You're going to have little shelves back there for you too. Refrigerator, lots of space for snacks on your road trip or to your next camping adventure. And freezer too. You're also going to have a physical closet, able to keep some larger items in here, keep it nice and organized. As we come to continue back here, you're going to have your bathroom. And this is my favorite part, it's the rear bath. Lots of shower space, easy to stand in there. I'm about 6 foot tall on a good day, and I can definitely get in there and swivel around. Beautiful counter space again with the sink. Lots of storage for towels, blankets. Maximize as much as they possibly can. And then you're going to have another natural lighting feature right next to the lavatory itself right here for you. You're going to have your control systems located right here next to the bed, so if you get hot in the middle of the night, it's easy to climb and control it so you can cool yourself down. So folks, if you think this one might be the right one for you, I recommend coming down here at Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon. Get a chance to take a look at this 2020 Forest River. Ask for John and I'll be happy to take care of you.